Hello everyone, let's make Minion together. Come draw with me. Let's start to making a face. First we draw a face, then we draw a romper. Do you like Minion? Let's make tiny hands. Now we make a minion round eyes. Let's draw so neatly. Now it's time to coloring. What color should be in Minion? So guys, I suggested Minion only have a yellow color and a blue color. So let's draw, let's color it. Hope you like my video and my coloring and my drawing. If you like it, like, share and subscribe.